pretty much in the middle of Asia, in the Gobi Desert. We're in Mongolia, about 600 kilometers south of Ulaanbaatar at Oyu Tolgoi mine site.
Oyu Tolgoi is a world-class mine. We mine mostly copper, and gold is a byproduct here.
Part of the process, of course, of mining is crushing that rock. Obviously, when they crush it, it's very sharp.
So for us, it was very important to deliver something that gave them the absolute best in terms of wear life performance, and the LINATEX molded impact panel system certainly did that.
Previously, we would be gluing rubber in, trying to patch it up every opportunity we had. Weir Minerals, in collaboration with Oyu Tolgoi, identified a solution manufactured from a unique LINATEX, steel-backed, stud-welded in place. It's a bolt-in, bolt-out solution that can be replaced in 6 minutes if it wears out or it gets damaged through no fault of the panel itself.
It improved safety significantly. We basically had to go into the underfloor tank every 5 weeks. Now we don't even go for another 32 weeks. It significantly reduces the material costs associated with changing out too frequently. On the cost side, most importantly, it enabled us to produce more copper.
This is virtually a set and forget sort of situation for the mine, where they don't need to do anything anymore. What we've achieved here is the pinnacle of what we do at Weir Minerals. It is just there, it's just working as it was designed to do.